My name is Cranate, and you'll be watching a commemoration to the burger with a speed drawing to fill your time as you listen. Let's begin! Burger, oh voluptuous burger, divine by its own right, as bread shelters the patty with its green blanket and his tomato and pickle pillows, resting soundly in my stomach. Love of the little seed, shining upon your palate with all of its beauty. To begin with the burger, we begin with the bun. The scattered seeds upon the bread, and which is whom, along with the raw dough, be cooked in the brick oven forever. After it cools, it is brought to the chef. The bun is, however, cut to place butter in both of its halves. Freshly made patty with a pressed center is given an onion to spice up as it cooks along with the bun. Afterwards, salt and pepper is sprinkled over the cooked patty, and the rinsed lettuce is brought to the party. Assorted chopped tomato and pickles comes along as well. The buttered inside is dressed with sweetened red sauce and mustard on both sides. Finally, we form the burger. We place the pickles and tomatoes on the soft end of the burger. Then patty or whatever is placed upon the pickled and tomatoes. A luscious green blanket is placed upon the patty, with the onion given to the burger during roasting on the top of the lettuce. We finish by placing the top bun on top of it all, with the seeds and such, served on the white platter with fries and ketchup. Oh, how the roast enriches your senses with euphoria and happiness. A satisfied grin rests upon the face. But what tastes better than silver and gold is when it's stirred with the true friends of your caliber. Thank you, and be blessed.